Hello my lovely students out there, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel Tomachang Tutorial. Myself Kishan Kulung, and today we are going to discuss about absolute zero. We have already completed graphical representation of Charles' law and Charles' law in our previous video. So if you want to watch that, you can find the link below in the description and see the video to understand Charles' law better way. Okay, so let us begin with the absolute zero. First, let me read this statement and then we will proceed further. The temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius at which the volume of any gas theoretically becomes zero is called absolute zero temperature. In fact, gas either liquefy or solidify. Okay, from the Charles' law, we have understood that when we increase the temperature, keeping the pressure constant and the mass of the gas constant, the volume of the gas increases. Okay, let me repeat it again. Keeping the pressure and mass of the gas constant, if you increase the temperature, the volume of the gas increases. That is what Charles' law says us. When we increase the temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 1 degree Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 3 degrees Celsius and so on, if you go on increasing the temperature, the volume of the gas also increases simultaneously. But if you decrease the temperature from 0 degrees Celsius like minus 1 degree Celsius, minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus 3 degrees Celsius and so on, if you go on decreasing the temperature, the volume of gas also decreases. Okay, the volume of gas also decreases. And if you continue decreasing the temperature, and if your temperature reaches minus 273 degrees Celsius, that is the lowest possible temperature that can be attained. At minus 273 degrees Celsius, what happens is volume of gas theoretically becomes zero. Volume of gas becomes zero. So the temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius at which the volume of gas becomes zero is called absolute zero temperature. The temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius, when we decrease the temperature, volume of gas also decreases. So when we keep on decreasing the temperature and when the temperature reaches minus 273 degrees Celsius, at this temperature, the volume of gas theoretically becomes zero. This temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius at which the volume of gas theoretically becomes zero is called absolute zero temperature. The temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius at which the volume of any gas theoretically becomes zero is called absolute zero temperature. Actually, gas at minus 273 degrees Celsius either liquefy or solidify. And you know that when compared the volume of liquid or gas with the volume of, when compared the volume of liquid or solid with the volume of gas, the volume of solid or liquid can be neglected. The volume of solid and liquid is negligible to comparison with the volume of gas. So when we say the gas is converted to either solid or liquid, we can assume that the volume of gas has become zero. So at this temperature minus 273 degrees Celsius, volume of gas becomes zero because gas either liquefy or solidify. Okay, this is absolute zero. Now let us prove this absolute zero by mathematical expression. Let me prove this absolute zero by mathematical expression. Mathematical expression of absolute zero. Mathematical expression. We know that from Charles' law, we know the equation of Charles' law, Vt, that is volume of gas at temperature T degrees Celsius, Vt equal to V naught. V naught is the volume of gas at 0 degrees Celsius. V naught 1 plus T upon 273. This is the equation of Charles' law. We have already found out this equation from our previous deduction. You can find the video in Charles' law, concept of Charles' law. Okay, this is the equation of Charles' law. Vt means the volume of gas at T degrees Celsius, and V0 is the volume of gas at 0 degrees Celsius. T is the temperature. So at minus 273 degrees Celsius, at minus 273 degrees Celsius, Vt, or now Vt, T is what? Minus 273 degrees Celsius. Temperature is minus 273 degrees Celsius. Instead of Vt, we write minus 273. Okay, at V minus 273, that is volume of gas at minus 273 degrees Celsius, we write V naught. This is the volume of gas at 0 degrees Celsius. 1. So when we reduce the temperature, volume of gas decreases, and when the volume of gas decreases, we write minus here. When the volume of gas, when you increase the temperature, volume of gas increases, and when the volume of gas increases, we write plus here. So since the temperature is minus, volume of gas decreases, we write minus here. V naught 1 minus 273 upon 273 was already in the denominator, we wrote as it is. Okay, this 273 and this 273 can be cancelled, so 1 is in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Okay, or V minus 273 equals to this V naught. So in the bracket, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is how much? 0. Or V minus 273 equal to V naught into 0 is 0. From this equation, we have found out mathematically that at minus 273 degrees Celsius, the volume of any gas can become 0. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt or questions in the comment section.